Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you to edit a photo. Between the cloudy sky and the water is not clear, becoming a clear, impressive photo. So what we see is this picture, and I captured the scene very well. With only one light and the subject is very bright and beautiful. However, it is a bad weather. So the scene is not beautiful. If I were to show this picture to a client, they wouldn't be very happy. Then their customers don't care about the weather. Doesn't care about any environmental conditions, as long as there is a nice picture. So to process this photo, before I took a lot of time. However, with FineArt Secret, I just need a few mouse clicks, I have finished processing this photo. The first is that I want his water greener. So to make the water greener, choose color cast and I will add watercolor. And I click on the water area I want. Here you see? It's white, I'm okay. Then you will see that the water is greener, very green. Before, after. I just need one mouse click. Then here I can remove the affected part from the windshield of the car. Next, I will change the contrast to make my picture clearer. I add contrast. Make the subject brighter. Then you see? The picture is clearer, now I reduce the opacity, just right. Then with just 2 clicks, you will see the picture it is very different. But I want it to be dark around here, so I will leave this contrast around. I only focused on the subject area and this water area, you see. With just 2 mouse clicks, you see. Very different. In addition, I will continue to replace clouds in this photo, with just 1 click. By choosing clouds. Here, I will choose blue clouds. There are many clouds to choose from. I will choose a certain cloud, as long as the sky is blue. Then you will see that it is very compatible. Here. Now, with just a few clicks, you will see. Before, after. It changed my picture completely. The skin adjustment is the basic parts, I has taught a lot already. Then I can adjust the skin. You can watch the previous videos, you will see that it is very simple for a picture. From the picture it was murky, turned into a very impressive picture. Previously, to edit this photo, it took me at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, however, you see that it's only a few mouse clicks away. Hit the block, somehow, or make the car more flamboyant. Then I can apply by adding Vibrance. Add Vibrance, sweep on the car, make the car more floating. Plus detail. The picture is sharper, that's what Sam has shown a lot in the previous photos. Then you see that with just a few mouse clicks. Made a big change in my photo. In addition, if you want the picture to be even more impressive, then you can take more steps. For example, I add Vibrance, to make my picture darker. You can see that after adding Vibrance, the picture is brighter and more colorful. Then there are many options in FineArt Secret that you can use. So you can use a brush, like adding colors. With Vibrance, I continue to scan. If the watercolor I feel is not enough, I want it to be more intense, I can scan. Vibrance added to his watercolors. Then you will see after scanning. Then my watercolor will be much greener. Then, in addition, you can also increase skin brightness. By being white skin, sweep into the skin of the subject. Much brighter. The treatments are very simple, or you can reduce the yellow color of this image. You can subtract color cast. Except yellow. This will give it a different color. Its color is more classic. I can still reduce its opacity. Let it just fade, it won't be lost at all. You see with FineArt Secret. Then I don't need to think about color correction anymore. Just put in what we want.